You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of Charles Leclerc. Yes, that's how you pronounce his name, indeed, not Charles Leclerc. If you want to learn more names from Formula 1 and celebrity names, stay tuned. You can skip until the end of the video to learn more. Alexandra, that's your French pronunciation here. Alexandra Saint, the T is silent in French. Mleux, yes, it's a very specific sound, E sound. The X is silent. Alexandra Saint Mleux. So in English you can say it as Alexandra Saint Mleux, or better, Alexandra Saint Mleux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.